guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. And I want to say thank you to anyone who comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content on my channel. I appreciate all of you. It means a lot to me. And guys, if you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'll really help me out and it'll keep you notified when I release new content. So this is not a knife unboxing, as the title says, but it is kind of a cool unboxing, I thought. This is something from Kladis3d Studios, something I picked up off of Etsy, and I'm going to use my Amazon titanium butterfly knife to unbox it and show it to you guys. All right. So what we got here is a little package from Kladis Studios. Kladis3d Studios. 3D printing studios, I guess, would be more aptly descriptive of what they do there. And design, I guess. So this is a 3D Vertex slider. It's a Vertex 3 from Kladis Studios. And it is super cool because A, it's textured. It's made here in the US. And it glows in the dark. You can't really see that because we've got so much light here on us. But it is glow material. So what you have here is you have this 3D printed, I don't know if you guys can see the texture here. This fidget slider that's very, very light. You've got this Kladis, which again, Kladis3d Studios printed on one side, and you've got this other 3D printed pattern on the other side. So what you have is you have a slider with magnets behind the plastic or the resin. And they're a hybrid setup, meaning you can feel them when you go past them, that they're different magnet strengths. Again, it just is something that I thought was really, really cool. These are much more economical than some of the ones that I've picked up before. Some of the metal ones from A to Z, like these guys, these titanium ones. And this one's kind of in the same vein as my fidget boy. This is one of my fidget boys that is also US made, a little bit different. You can see here, they're similar to the same size. The texture on this one feels really good. So does the strength of the magnets. It feels very solid, I guess I would say is the word I'm looking for. Sometimes you'll get them and they'll feel a little loose, like your parts are going to come apart. This one doesn't feel like that. There's nothing wrong with that, but some of them, like, I don't know if this is one of my fidget boys, but some of my fidget boys tend to flip off when I'm getting going on them. For example, when I do the little ladder roll, they might flip off. This one seems to be very, very sturdy, right? Or it seems to be held on pretty well when I go to flick it off. Again, you can do all kinds of different movements, or if you're just one of those people that likes to fidget on a worry stone, the texture on this I think is great. And why I like these 3D printed ones so much is their weight. So this isn't a review, this is just an unboxing, but just to give you guys an idea, if I drop this in my pocket next to my slip joint, it's less than an ounce. If I drop this in my pocket next to my slip joint, it's 4 3/4, 4.3 ounces. So again, the Fidget Boys 3D printed, or the Kladis Studios like this one is, the Vertex, to me, they work well. They do what I like a fidget to do, which is, duh, fidget, but feels good in the hand. I like the texture. super cool little piece, guys. I just wanted to bring it to you. It's an unboxing, not a review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Short video. I just wanted to share. I love all you guys. Do me a favor, and I apologize for tippy meowing, but look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart, and always choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.